Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you done with your eBay accounts and don't want to use this platform anymore? Or maybe you are simply going to change to another one and you want to quit eBay forever. Well, in that case, you want to close your accounts and remove it from eBay, then I will explain to you exactly how to do so. First of all, connect to the account that you want to remove because there is people that have multiple accounts, so go exactly to the account which you want to remove. So what you need to do next is simply click on my eBay, and once this opens, click on account which is located next to messages. So messages, account, click on it. Once we have done that, what's next is pretty simple. Here we'll find this menu: personal information, payment info, selling, donation preferences, and here account preferences. What you should do in your case, go all the way down in this list, and as you can see right here, close account. Click on it, and this will take you to a page which will explain to you how you can close the account. Now, as you can see, if you close your eBay account, you will no longer be able to sell on the site or access my eBay. You will also lose your feedback as well as your purchase and sales history. In my case, doesn't really matter. I don't have anything, so I could really just close it. But how can I do tutorials for you guys? How can I explain to you how to solve your problems? That is why I'm not gonna click this button. But in your case, you simply have to click on close account button, which is right here, and the account will be removed and closed forever. That was it. See you guys in the next video.